This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by verifying essentials: Wi-Fi, system updates, and enough storage so changes apply cleanly. Once done, sign into your Google account and optionally enable developer options for deeper tweaks. Make sure you know whether you want minor edits, reordering apps and customizing rows, or a full launcher replacement. Start the interface app, press Home, select Settings, and open Apps. From here, you're positioned to change default launcher or adjust home content. These first steps give you clean control. Now change the launcher or rearrange home content. If using a new launcher, install it from Play Store or sideload an APK, then go to Settings, right arrow Apps, right arrow Default Apps, and choose your home app. For built-in customization, long press Home rows to reorder, pin favorite apps, and hide or remove channels you don't use. Make gradual changes and test after each adjustment so you don't lose layout familiarity. This prevents accidental resets and helps you refine the interface logically. Finish by applying themes, adjusting display scaling for text and app size, and confirming your remote or gamepad is mapped correctly. Once satisfied, back up any custom settings or note key changes so you can restore them later. If something goes wrong, try clearing the launcher's cache, force stop the app, and reboot the device. If problems persist, switch back to the default launcher in Settings and reinstall the custom one. This troubleshooting sequence resolves most issues without a factory reset.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.